guys, what's up? Welcome back to Digital Dreamer. Before we get into today's tutorial, please smash that like and the subscribe button. Okay, now let's get started. If you want, you could read these instructions on what we're gonna do. Pause the video. I'm gonna read it right now, though. Write a program to iterate the first 10 numbers, and in each iteration, print the sum of the current and the previous number. This is the output. Current number 0, previous number 0, sum 1, current number 1, previous number 0, sum 1, current number 2, previous number 1, sum 3, and so on. What we're going to do first is we're going to define 3 variables. Kernum, which is short for current number. We're going to set this to 0. Now we're going to do prevnum, which is for previous. And we're also going to set that to 0. And then we're going to create one called result. And we're going to set it to also 0. So these are our starting variables. Now we can actually start getting to the program. Create a for loop and then do for I in range 0 to 10. Basically, this will iterate around the loop 10 times, although the number we're going to start from is from 0. Now we gotta add a colon. And then we can start now by saying print. And now we're going to do F string, which stands for formatted string. And then we're going to do current number. Now we're going to do curly braces and then do kernum. Now we're going to do previous number, prevnum. And now sum, result. And now we're gonna set prevnum to kernum, kernum plus equals 1, and result equals kernum plus prevnum. And now we're going to test this out. Okay, so we did get the correct output. If you want it to be longer and not just up to here, then you can play around with the range setting, and then you can set to how much you want. Thanks for watching. Bye.